Hi guys, I hope this video doesn't suck because this is the first time I'm going without any preparation into making a video. Alright, so I will try to hold my hand as still as I can. Okay, so uh, 2 days ago on 1st March 2016, Remix OS went into beta. They made it available on their website where you can download it for free. And I'm someone who is very curious about all these stuffs. I download a lot of operating systems to try to figure out which one is can work as an alternative. I don't know why I do it. I've always stuck to Windows, but I don't like Windows on old machines as it takes too much space and wastes and takes a lot of. It slows down the PC. That's it. And also, Android has something that I don't think Windows will ever have. It's very snappy. It's everything feels instant, especially when you put a operating system on of a mobile on a PC. It becomes that much more faster. And all right, so these I have tried Phoenix OS, I have tried Android x86, and when you're trying an operating system that isn't actually built for desktop, I would recommend you stick to the few apps that you have, that you need, that you use a lot on your mobile, and see if those apps work on that operating system. If those work, then I think you should stick with that operating system. I used the same technique, and unfortunately Android x86 didn't work. Neither did Phoenix, and Chrome OS I just felt like Linux with Chrome browser, so that wasn't like much. I love the Ubuntu, I love Linux Mint, but I want something even more streamlined, and especially I want there are three things which I really would love on my super old laptop. Those three are Netflix app to watch Netflix, and YouTube app, and third is Opera Max. Opera Max produces the compresses the video so much that I am actually, when I download 1 GB, I have actually gone through 2.5 GB of Netflix data, which I loved, as I have FUP limit, fair usage policy, minus. Alright, I have that limit, and it's really bad considering that it's only the third of the day and I've already used 20% of it. Third day of the month. Alright, so if you want to try it, I would recommend you just install it on a pen drive, and the easiest way to do so, and they have actually made it very simple. They have bundled the operating system with they have bundled an installation software. I am pretty sure it's Unit Bootin, but they have bundled it together, so it will be very easy for people who are not who are new to this. Alright, so you can either download the 64-bit or the 32-bit. I'll go with 32-bit as I have 4 GB, less than 4 GB RAM on that machine, and also it's smaller. Yeah, so I downloaded this, and when you get the file, this is the zip that you get. It's a beta version, and it's 560 MB. When you open this, you will get two folders. One is for Mac OS, and the other is your normal one. And inside there are 4 files. The first is, I don't know what that is. The second one is instruction notepad text document, and then there is the ISO image, and there is the exe tool. It's exe tool, installation tool. Alright, this is the first time I'm going like without preparation, so please bear with me. Okay, so here are the instructions. You have MD5 verification, you have how to launch the in either USB mode or directly install it on the hard drive, and then you have the feedback. Alright, so I've copied it into my pen drive, and also I've installed it on the PC. I will just show you what the. Alright, so here this is the installation steps, and you have to select either your hard drive or your USB drive. Then you select the drive. In hard drive I have it on G, which is Ubuntu drive, and you can go browse, and you have to select the ISO that you downloaded, and that's it. Now if you press OK, it will be installed, and I have done the same thing. If you want to install it on your pen drive, what you will do is you will come here, you will go to USB and you will select your pen drive, which is H. Okay, and you will select your ISO and you will select OK. Now unfortunately on this machine my graphic card AMD is not compatible, or maybe I'm having memory issues with my RAM. I don't know what is causing the glitch, but the screen keeps flickering the moment I boot into it. And so I will just show you how to boot into it. It is installed, and I will even let's just see what happens. Sorry, I will just restart the PC. And you will be able to see how much it is, how much the glitch is there. But I don't think that is because of the software. I have installed Android x86, and Android x86 also started giving that, and for some time I have been unable to install any operating system on any Linux based operating system on this machine. So I am assuming it's one of the RAMs that are no longer that are having a hardware problem. I'm assuming that simply because Linux does a thorough check, whereas Windows will play. Windows just will take care of it, or just ignore it. Like I have 4 GB RAM, but in Windows it's only showing 3.2. So yeah, I really hope there is a feature where we can speed up this in YouTube Editor, because this time I want to see how easy it will be if we don't do this. Alright, so once you have installed that, your computer will boot like this. There will be two options. You can either choose Windows 8.1 or Remix OS, and once you choose Remix OS, it will boot into it. Now this is actually a very convenient way, but I doubt many people will want to do this, because every time you have to drive, it will restart now. So I think the easier way would be either to install it on another hard drive, or to just use a pen drive. You need minimum of 20 Mbps speed on the pen drive. If it's slow, it will still work, but I would recommend a USB 3, because if it's fast, it's quite it's very snappy the faster it is. If you have SSD, you will love it. If you're starting it for the first time, it will take some time. It will take around 3 to 5 minutes. It took quite longer in mine, because I installed it on the hard drive, which is the slowest. So it took some time. Yeah, as you can see, it's flickering, and all these glitches appearing, tearing, whatever it is. It's caused due to the RAM. On an Android x86 website, they have mentioned that now they have partnered with Remix, and when I tried Phoenix, I love their user interface. It's like Remix on steroids, but the problem is this apps that aren't compatible with Android x86 aren't compatible with Phoenix. So Phoenix seems like something that is just a user interface skin over Android x86, whereas Remix seems to be a bit better. Okay, I'm going to close this, since I don't want to ruin my computer. Alright, there is something wrong with the hard drive, something is about to fail. Alright, the next what I will do is I will show you guys what it would look like on Android. I will install it, I will run it from a pen drive on my laptop.